Hi, welcome back. This is part 2 of a few part little episodes about smooth running for your trains on your tracks. So today we're going to cover making your points more streamlined so you have less trouble with derailments. So remember from last time we put a load in these little ore cars to make them heavier, help them run a bit better so they don't jump all over the place. Now the second part of making them run better on your track is to streamline the points, where the frogs are especially. That's where you're going to have trouble when you start pushing them. So if you've got a track like this Atlas Diamond Crossing, you can see that there, that's fairly wide, and sometimes you can have trouble, especially if you've got a double slip with a frog that wide. So what we're going to do, and what I have done, is you take stuff like this here, called Plastibond. Get that at any of your hardware shops. It's just a plastic putty, and you mix it with a bit of hardener, and you fill up your little frog of your point like that, and after it's and wipe it off. You only need a little bit. Wipe it off the top and let it set, and after it's set hard, you can get a little razor saw and run along where the wheel flanges go, just right next to the rails, and that cuts out the little groove for the wheel flanges and leaves a little bit behind, so that it effectively fills up any spare gaps that you don't want on your point. I've done that with quite a few of the points to make them run better. Now, if you're lucky enough to have stuff like this Shinohara one here, and later models of Pico points are the same, they come with, you can get them with very streamlined frogs like that, so you're not going to have to do anything with those. They work excellent just as they are. But if you've got any stuff lying around that's like this and you want to use it, and you want to have minimal trouble pushing and shunting and carrying on, then get onto the Plastibond and fill up your frogs, and away you go. Check back next time, and what I'll do is cover making sure your couplers are all at the same height, because when they're not, you can get unhitching when you least want it. So we'll cover that one on the next one. We'll see you then. Just a shout out to Mark at M&M Rails, designing his new little layout for his small room. Don't be put off at all, Mark. You can have multiple little scenes like this little fella here, with super duper detail, and anything like that, or one over here as well. All those little things make all the difference.